Hello to everyone. Today I would like to show you how to use Fuels Star 150, how to create your own book. So you have to open this hands pull outside and open the cover, and we have something like here, and you start with sizing of papers. So if you move this circle, you move this point, so you can correct size of paper, and I have already A4, what is good for me. So you can take papers, and now you need input papers inside to this hole. Optimum of pages is about 10 pages, so we can calculate 1, 2, 3, 4. I think that I have more than 10 pages, so I can take these pages and make the ideal bottom, and these pages just inside the hole like this, and now you have to take two hands and pull the lever down like this. Okay, now when we take the papers, we pull back, we can choose papers, and we have nice hole. And next step is we can use a measure guide. So on the right side you have a special place, and we can see three different types of of guides. So this means 8 millimeters, so 5 to 16 pages, 10 millimeters, etc, etc. So I need this smaller. And how many pages we can see also here. If we have 8 millimeters, our case, it means from 21 to 40 pages. If we take this bigger, here there is 10 millimeters, and it means 10 millimeters means 41 to 55 pages. So we take just this smaller, and we can close it, and we need to put like this, and take this lever, and we found the right guide and find size for book, and now we can pull the lever below, and we open the grips, and now we can insert pages inside. Okay, so now I can take pages, I can give them inside. Like this. Okay, then you can use some special bottom papers, and give these papers up and close, however, return back to position, and now we have a book. So thank you for the watching, and please subscribe for the next video. See you.